Did you know that some creatures can slip into your mind while you sleep and get trapped there forever? Sarah walked into her kitchen and froze. A pale man was making eggs at her stove, acting like he lived there. Excuse me, she said politely. Are you my new roommate? He smiled without looking up. Just making breakfast. But something was wrong. His skin moved like clay when he turned his head. His nose looked different than a second ago. Sarah's heart pounded. Who are you? The stranger watched her with hungry eyes like a cat studying a mouse. His face kept shifting, features sliding around like melting wax. She reached into her coat pocket and found an empty needle. The memories came flooding back. Walking home, feeling a sharp prick, then nothing. You drugged me, she whispered. The pale man tried to step forward, but his body was hardening like cement. He'd invaded her mind while she was unconscious, but now he was stuck in the real world. His elastic skin turned solid as stone. He collapsed, trapped forever between two worlds.